sorry. No, I did this for like.
Where's the 100
What?
what? What else? I'm gonna put in.
Wait, are you gonna get your iPhone or what?
I am. Catch up a little bit. They make promises that they will never fulfill it until the day you die. If I keep my room clean for like 2 months, I think when I was like 12, and he's like, I'll get you a job. I never got a job. Bro, he's like, you clean the entire house every single day for a month. I will buy you a bed, and you pay me. And I'm like, all right. Everything, like I did everything. The whole house was clean. You walk in, it's like
Where's yours?
underneath the
I don't know.
whole
Where's yours? The empty
Bro,
one.
and I was like, okay, Mama, he's like, and he's like,
Huh?
you have to pay for that.
Oh, I don't have you. Yours is gonna grade it tomorrow, so you can look at it right now. So that's a good thing to look at it right now.
Sick.
All right, so shh. Okay, so so what happened is I write down a procedure how to solve disk and washer problem all the time. So this, I don't know, when you were a little kid, you probably see this video of like this dad is trying to write instruction manual. Oh no, this dad's trying to ask his son to write instruction manual how to make a peanut butter sandwich. Do you ever seen that video?
Be really specific.
Yeah, it has to be very specific. For example, you have put the bread on the table, and you have to take a fork and stuck into the peanut butter jar. But if peanut butter jar is not open, you're gonna be like not gonna stick through. So you have to be open the peanut butter jar, sticking in that vertically, scoop up, wipe on the bread in the top surface, not on the side, because it could be on the right surface. So I try to write a specific manual for how to solve all the disk and washer problem. So it's kind of long, but it's gonna be very useful. Huh?
Mr. Pullman's last freshman year, we did that. He brought like peanut butter and bread.
Oh, really? Yeah. So kind of like that. So I'm gonna write a special manual for you. So procedure wise, so this is the procedure how to find it. So procedure to find disk or washer method. Okay, so the procedure number 1 is always draw the function. It doesn't matter if you are finding area, is draw the functions. 2. I'm gonna show you how to draw the axis of rotation. The axis of rotation. So you have to draw the axis of rotation. It doesn't matter what, you gotta draw the axis of rotation. How do you draw axis of rotation? On the axis of rotation, you're gonna draw like this. You draw like a rotating symbol. Okay. 3. Now I'm gonna draw either a line or lines from, it has to be from, and this specifically has to be from one thing. It has to be from axis of rotation to the boundary. Or boundaries. So it could be 2 boundaries. So IES could be boundary or boundaries. Okay. So very, very specifically, how to draw from the axis rotation. Not from the boundary to the axis rotation. Not the other way around. and we're gonna tell you how important that is later. You're not gonna find out until tomorrow, but today this is it. Okay. Now sometimes you'll get a line, a single line that usually represents this is a disk. If it's lines with 2, then usually means this is a washer. So you're gonna decide is this washer or disk by drawing those lines. The fourth step here, very, very crucial. You have to figure out is this dx or dy. So dx usually is a vertical line, and dy usually is a horizontal line. Okay, I recorded this just in case. 5. You had to decide, you had to make sure that the boundary is a correct boundary. Oh, no, sorry. The correct, I'm sorry, correct upper and lower bound. So correct upper bound and lower bound. So it could be in terms of x, x bound, or y bound. 6. Always remember the pi, especially only for volume. Remember pi. If you forget about pi, usually it'll lead to the wrong answer. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Okay, only volume though, not area. Area you don't need pi because you're not rotating. 7. And also, okay, also not cross section is, we're gonna talk about cross section as well. So, I mean always. Okay, so don't forget the pi. Okay. Next is if it's dx, you gotta be in terms of x. You have to figure out if it's disk, then you're gonna be r of x squared dx between a to b, or between c to d, r squared of y, because you can be in terms of y.
What about the pi?
And yes, don't forget the pi. So yeah, just forget that. Jumpman. Washer, and don't forget the pi, so I'm gonna write down pi first. Between a to b, r squared of x minus r squared of x. Now there are 2 different type of r. This is inner r and outer r, and we're gonna talk about that. C and d, this could be a different boundary. R squared of y minus r squared of y. They are lowercase dy. Yeah, so this is the outer rim, outer radius. This is the inner radius. Okay, so always keep the outer inner correctly. We're gonna explain that in a second. But this one's only 1. The disk is easier. 8. You already finished. However, sometimes if it's off-axis rotation, especially sometimes you rotate not x-axis or y-axis, sometimes you might rotate x equal to -1, y equal to -4, or y equal to 5, or y equal to 10. Those are a lot harder. Okay, so 8. F of x is equal to distance from x-axis to the function, to the functions. Now this is gonna help you with off-axis rotation. Now f of y is equal to distance from y-axis to the functions. I feel like this list is getting longer each year. Even probably it's getting longer between each period. Because sometimes I forget I'm missing something, and then I keep on adding more information, so hopefully students don't mess up. So I write a very specific instruction to figure out desk or washer. Now all I do is hoping people don't mess up. Yes.
Is inner radius always lowercase r? Is it always
Yeah.
lowercase r?
We just represent as in inner radius with the lowercase r. Yes. So hopefully you have this. Now, once you have this, we're gonna go through them. The process is actually a lot easier than showing 8 steps because the actual thing is just deciding this, and it's pretty fast. It doesn't take like this long. It only takes about adding 2 minutes for each question or 3 minutes for each question to really figure out what's going on. So now what happened is I'm gonna figure out is A. I'm gonna say this one is y equal to square root x, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, and A is rotating around. So A is rotating x-axis. First one, I'm gonna guide you through it. Draw the function is no big deal. All you guys should know how to draw this function. You should stop it right here. And I'm gonna use a red to actually enclose this. So this is the red part. And I'm actually gonna draw the axis rotation. Do you see that axis rotation? Very important. Whitney, do you see what you guys did wrong? You got it right? Okay, good. Nice. Okay, so now the way you draw it is this. You're gonna pick the boundary, right? This boundary should be between here, and I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna draw a line. It's not this way, so don't draw it this way. This way is bad. So you want to draw it from the axis rotation to the functions. So you see that's a one bound. It's a one bound. It tells you it's a disc. This one looked like a football. We did it with the watermelon, right? We did it. So we say, okay, that's just a one bound. So this one is gonna slice as a dx. Dx is easy. Dx means function has to be in terms of x, right? You cannot do y and dx. You have to do x with dx. So that means I'm gonna draw here. It's dx. It's a disc or washer. It's disc. So I'm gonna write down disc. It's from boundary from where to where? 0 to 4. This one's easy, right? 0 to 4. And this one is given by the function. The function is r of x equal to square root of x. Why? Because that's just how radius is changing. So don't forget the pi. If you forget, then this point's off. And then don't forget that there is dx here. And the function is going to be square root x squared. Don't forget about square too. Sometimes people forget about square. I forget about square all the time. And make sure you put down parentheses whatever you need it. So this is the disc method. This is how to rotate around x-axis. You guys got this?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna give you a more challenge part. B. I want you to rotate around y-axis. Oh. This is completely changed the feel of the game now. So instead to form a football, right? Instead to form a football, we actually forming the shapes. Thanks for somebody actually modify this. I think Reebok.
I was hoping someone.
Yeah, that's good. you're actually forming a bun cake. You guys see that? Okay, so there is. It's gonna be this one, so you guys gotta figure out what happened.
What's the thing?
But I couldn't draw it out, but it just.
Can you be more ladylike?
Only.
My legs are
No, man.
I'm not saying like this at the points. It's also wild.
It's my legs can go.
How do you play?
My legs can go.
So how do we know the axis of rotation there? Because it's in the middle.
Because the axis of rotation is below you. Part A.
Matthew, what are you?
No, but it's on x-axis, so it can be anywhere on the x-axis.
This is how you do the drills. That's how I form the drills.
But the point is right here.
No, the x-axis. That's right. And this is how I form the drill. So drills goes there.
Oh, like this.
It's gonna look like a football. The tip of football. Okay, so I want you to rotate around y-axis now. Am I gonna draw functions? Did you guys draw a function? It's gonna be something like this. And I'm gonna take this whole graph a little bit to the right. Okay. So this graph is gonna look like something like this. Visualization is gonna be something like this. And this is the watermelon, but this one's a little bit different. This is gonna be rotate around here, right? And then you're gonna have this shape. It's gonna spin that. Once you spin, it's gonna form your bun cake. Yeah, it's in and outside the board. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it is carved inside like this. Right? So, did you guys draw from the axis rotation? Did you guys draw? There's a one line. And there is a second line. Do you guys see the second line? Do you guys see that? There's an inner and outer radius. Do you see that? Okay. Do you guys see that inner radius and outer radius?
Yes.
What is this big radius here? Okay, we're gonna call capital R of y because this is what? dy. This is a dy because it's a vertical, it's a horizontal slice, right? So it's gonna be dy here. So this is dy. So we're gonna say this is dy. And the statistical washer. Washer, because there's two lines. Remember we talked about if it's one line, it's disk. If two line, it's a washer. Washer is inner radius and outer radius, right? So what is the big? So this is a washer. I'm gonna write it down so I don't forget. It's from what boundary to what boundary? No. No. Yes, Mason?
0 to 2.
0 to 2 is good. It's 0 to 2. The way you do this is going to be all the way here. 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So now it's going to be, oh, Happy New Year, Norman. Have a great Titan Day.
I'm gonna go back to
We make a bet. We say that's not your new year. You lied to me. But end up Safia did tell me the truth for the first time. Okay, so from 0 to 2. Do I forget about pi? No. Do I remember the boundaries? 0 to 2? Yes. Now we're gonna say r of y in this case. That means function has to be in term of y. So what's r of y in this case? No. No.
4.
Oh wait, just kidding.
Why is it 4? It is 4.
Because
It's all the way here, right?
in my mind.
It's all the way here. It's all the way here. It's always 4. It's always 4. So r of y is always equal to 4. What is r of y? The smaller radius, the black line.
Root x. Y squared.
Wait, I thought that was the inner radius.
Made up your mind. Which one is which?
Y squared.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Because it's in terms of y, dy.
Yes, y squared. So
I'm him, bro.
it's a 4 square minus y square square. Because this is a y square, but you had a square outside, so y square square. Is that okay? Why is it y square? Because y equal to square root x, and if you solve for x, it's gonna be y squared here. So that's gonna be distance from here to here is given by the function. Yes, Safia?
I thought capital R was the outer radius.
Yeah, capital R is outer radius, but outer radius is always 4. Do you see this line? It's always 4. No, it's not inside. It's the bigger radius. The bigger radius is gonna be the second line.
So the outer radius is pointing to that line, which is 4.
Yeah, it stopped right here. It starts from here to here. This is outer radius.
The smaller one is pointing to like the curve, which is y squared.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Because-
then it's just outer is greater than inner. It doesn't matter where it is.
Yeah, you don't want to do inner minus outer. You're gonna get negative
Oh,
because it's small radius. You cannot take a small radius of something, subtract a bigger radius.
so
You have the bigger.
The inner radius is always smaller.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Oh,
Well, according to the line, it's much smaller,
y
right?
equals root.
Kaden, do you follow me? Okay, so you guys got this?
Almost done.
See.
Mr. Yu, would you, so like for example on the test, would you recommend to always draw every single one?
I probably will because it doesn't take long to draw.
Wait, we don't have-
Even though there's like nice type, but a lot of them just recognition. So recognize is that dx, is that washer, is it 0 to 2 or 0 to 4.
Are we not solving these questions? Or...
You have to on your homework, you have to solve. So rotating around what? I'm gonna rotating around x equal to -2. This time I'm gonna rotating around x equal to -2.
The function is only range x equals to
Whitney, do you know where you mess up?
Yes.
I think it's the same thing.
Just because
121?
Yeah.
where did 121
Like easy.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
And D.
It's a pretty special. We'll go do it tomorrow, but see if you can pick out why it's 121.
Yo, I think it's 144. It's the last one.
Bro.
All right, come on, rotating around x equal to -2. Wait,
But it doesn't even reach to negative.
x equal to -2. Oh, this one's hard. Okay.
Yeah. How-
It's just the inner radius is bigger, right? And the outer radius is bigger.
Yeah, it's
No, inner radius is smaller.
Sorry, gang. First one.
Oh. Yeah, I'm kind of lost.
draw it first. Draw the axis rotation.
I did. Same thing.
No, it's different.
Yeah, I don't know why it's
It's on x equal to -2 now.
He's me.
How you rotate on x?
We are one.
No, we don't. You don't. It's called off axis rotation.
Well, they then, however.
So is it gonna be a bigger monkey?
No.
Bigger bunk cake.
Ah. Going around this point, it's gonna go back.
Oh.
And there's gonna be a
Oh.
bunch of monkey.
Did anybody help me post on the WhatsApp the homework? Thank you, Sophia. Norman, you're supposed to make milk tea and spread it to the earth. Is that
You like boba, Mr. Andy?
Huh?
You like
depend on the day?
which
It's too sugary. I'm too fat.
you can have that. Each of them is sugar.
Actually,
No, I'm fat.
Eat directions, bro. They should make math without
You know,
directions.
if you're really fat, the test to see if you're actually fat, and you have to look at your wrist. Because if you're actually fat, then your wrist will be chubby, and that's when you know you're far off. Like you're too far off. Yeah, if you can still put a finger on your wrist, then you're wrong.
I'm not fat.
Yeah. We see like real fat people, and then like Apple Watch is like bursting at the seams. Like then you need to implant it.
Can you send it again?
Huh?
Can you send it
Send it one more time. For the radius. In the radius.
You guys never. Even Caden's coming to join the same period. Assume my first period is gonna all come the same period.
The radius.
Did you get it? One more time.
Yeah.
I have later Friday.
Which
I'm not life right now.
yeah.
I can just choose whatever. And I still learn. One more time.
No.
You don't have
Okay, so I'm gonna draw this. Okay, so axis rotation is x equal to -2. This is the axis rotation. Did you draw this? Now, from the axis rotation, you have to draw from the axis rotation. We're going to talk about why you have to draw from the axis rotation. This is the first line, right? This is inner radius. This is the way to carve out. This is the second. So this bun cake is a lot wider. And the hole in the middle is bigger. It's rotating much bigger, so it's gonna rotating like somewhere here. It's gonna rotate something like this.
Oh.
It's gonna rotate. It's gonna be much wider, and the hole is much bigger.
Outer is like
The outer is yes. The outer is dy first. Dy first. Don't forget about pi. Dy between 0 to what? 0 to 2. Because the internal dy is stop at 2. What is the outer radius here? 6.
because 2 plus 4.
Yep, because 2 plus 4. Because you actually break this to 2 lines, 2 segments. One is from -2 to 0, and 0 to all the way to 4. And first of all, you had to break it up to this 2 segment as well. So be what?
Y squared plus 2 squared.
No.
The whole thing.
No, 2 plus y squared. Square.
Oh, because y squared and then shift over left 2.
No, it's this is 2. This is 2 right here. And this is the function.
Wait, can you say that again?
Oh.
You say that again. You just-
Okay, it stopped right here.
Oh, they-
Yeah.
they print
And
out
then
the
this here. This is the function. Do you guys got it?
I don't know about that.
Yeah, if you put the y squared first, that's so correct, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just don't want to say Reebok's wrong because it's so much fun to say that.
You're right.
It won't be fun if it says right. If it says right, it's gonna be like jumping, jumping, jumping. Freaking annoying.
Wait, Wait, how's the boundary?
Oh, you were the one who said it last time. I didn't even.
You've been bringing it up this year.
What?
You were the one who
Wait, the boundary is the one.
You've been bringing it
0 to 2.
Wait, how is it 0 to 2?
The way you still calculate is gonna start from here
Mhm.
all the way to stop at 2. That's it. When you rotate,
Wait, so you're going up
yeah, from 0, and you stop right here because this is a tip.
I see how much it takes me to go up to the y-axis.
where it stops.
No, I played badminton.
Okay, who's that white kid? I don't know.
My son. My son.
Did you call him dad? That's your... All right, so it's okay. All right, shh. D. I want to rotate around. I'm still giving easy one. X equal to. No, y equal to. Sorry, y equal to. Should I give you a hard one or easy one?
Hard.
I love it.
Okay, hard one. That's gonna rotate around y equal to 4. This one's hard because it's hard.
Cause it's like, oh.
It's just vertical.
The 6 and the 2 plus y squared.
So 24, right? 21. I think it's 21. Every 23rd and the 7th.
It's the same thing. It's just you just leave us the sentence.
So it's y for x y. Wait, it doesn't matter though, right? You don't subtract. It's just
What
there.
else?
So the inner radius
Okay.
is 2. Oh, how does you?
How do you do? How do you actually rotate it?
You just like stretch out outwards.
Yeah.
Just like. That's how you square up, like.
He's caught. Okay, in terms of why. So it's like it's going like this. It's our little
Outer radius.
right.
No. Yeah.
Spoilage.
It's shot, yeah.
8 squared minus.
Shut up.
Shit. Yeah, Matthew. Yeah, slow. Okay. Yeah, I have a question.
Your y minus 4 squared.
Root x plus
From that point.
Yo, no. Yeah, is it minus like from here? Wow. Down because like it spins around, so it doesn't matter.
So it's just one.
Right?
What's your for
4. It's plus.
down? No, inner radius.
Or
Inner. Inner. I think it's like y minus. Y minus 4 squared. What do you mean? It's y minus 4 squared. If you're going upward. And you have to square that over.
x plus 4. So it's like 20 minus this. Oh!
Oh yeah, you're right.
No, it's not.
Matthew.
Oh.
It's,
No, I have to be so big and go. No way, I
Yeah,
didn't. I gotta be I need to know what the
Okay, so give me a second. So this one's a little bit harder, and the more likely you are probably gonna get it wrong. So
Tell me what the inner radius is.
okay, so I'm gonna start with here, and I'm gonna rotate around x equal to 4. So x or y equal to 4 is gonna be right here.
How does the function stretch that far?
It doesn't stretch. You gotta think about what happened here. So it's rotating here. This is your small r of x. This is the big R of x. Any question? 0 to 2. 0 to 4, sorry. Okay, big R is 4, right?
Yes, yes.
Minus 4 minus root x.
4 squared is doing like.
why is it 4 minus root x, not root x minus 4?
Isn't it 4 squared?
Root x is not enough to minus 4.
Is
Not
it
four
not?
square.
Oh, 4 square, you're
Oh,
right.
When she says it.
Mr. J, can you do the thing?
She's black, you're not.
How does this look like on
What?
Safia is always on black.
Yeah, I'm black.
I'm African American.
I just unlocked a new vocabulary.
Mr. J, if this is y equals 4, right? Is it that? How is it? Is it like that?
What do you
Yeah.
drop in the hard R?
Or wait, say it again.
Hard R. What's it? Play it lit, and when he was dropping the hard R, I mean, it was in the play.
No,
He's dropping what?
It was like this white kid reading, and then we got across the N word, and we just said it out loud, super loud, like E-R and L and everything. And Mr. Pro was like, alright, that's enough now.
ERL what?
Oh, oh.
Wait, what's
The N-word.
Huh?
The N-word.
Oh, he said the N word?
The whole thing. Well, you said that with
Did you do that?
oh, my Mr.
Wait.
Mr. J,
Have a great time
how
today.
many more lessons are in this unit before?
A few more.
Wait, Mr. J, I just need to know, like, why is the inner radius 4 minus root x? I need to-
Because remember, this is the function. This is the f of x, right?
Yes.
So the Rx is 4, take away the red part. So it's gonna be this part, because this part I'm interested.
Right.
So 4 minus the red part.
Mr. Yang, what would you give me if I passed this test?
What?
What if I passed this
You
test?
gotta gamble with me.
If you pass this test?
Yeah. If
I don't, test is too low.
Huh?
He has at least a B, so he should be an A.
You gotta gamble.
You gotta get 100.
My odds are terrible.
Oh, I'm not good at myself.
No, do the thing I did. If you get a B,
I don't have
See, but I
no.
don't wanna game.
Have
see, I'm not against
No,
it.
not that much.
What does a roadie cost?
Roadie is not much.
Not much.
Mr. Yang,
My odds are low, but I'm beating myself.
Well, that's good. At least you got. At least you are a little bit more motivated.
Yeah. I gotta go finish that test.
Yeah, so like term between this
fall off.
and
So stay on.
Maybe you did a good job thinking.
Oh wait, somebody put some more tape on it.
You're
so you have to multiply this by 6, 4, and 5.
6, 4,
Yeah. You have to multiply 120 top and bottom.
Wait, we got 3 points. We get 6. Huh? We get 6 1 part 2? What happened to the other 3?
So this is the x to the 6, right?
No, this is
I forgot this one is 6 factorial, right? And then this one is x to the 6 over 3 factorial. Right? So you are gonna multiply this by 6 times 5 times 4. Why? Because that way you're gonna make it as a 6 factorial. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be negative x to the 6 over 6 factorial minus x to the 6 over 120. 120 times, 120 times 3 factorial, so it's going to be 6 factorial. Now this is the 120 here. So it'll be negative 121 x to the 6 over 6 factorial.
That's the answer?
The answer is 121.
Well, oh, 6.
And then
Yeah, I was working, I was thinking that's how you do it, but then we're kind of deciding if I can both.
I was like, screw this, bro. Yeah, we just went back to the other
So
one.
we got 6 points here, and then we got 1 point here.
Like escaping.
Okay, that's fine.
We'll take it.
Come on,
Yeah,
dude.
so what?
Really?
You're mad at your brother?
Easy. Look at 18, bro. What's up?
Like, shut up. And kind of
Well,
like,
I mean, I don't care, it's still fun.
leave the AP.
Test back to get that correction.
Sure. But why did we 1.3 here? Yeah,
It was like 120.
Oh,
I think I'll do well on this next one. I'm hoping. I have a good feeling about it though.
All days.
It was like this.
Maybe we combine them.
Yeah.
We combine them. I see, I got it. Well, I don't compensate this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got compensate.
This is people correct. Boy, correct. I have to look for it. Give me a second.
Is the homework on?
It's on WhatsApp, but I haven't posted on Canvas yet, so you can look at WhatsApp. Rebuff first. Rebuff.
Can you put in my test correction for the first test I went into this quarter? Forgot which one that was.
Hayden, did I give it back to you? Last test?
Hey, Mr. Guy, I heard a rumor that there's home runs today.
They are. I'm gonna post it. Give me a second.
You have a group chat.
We did, but it was like, it was gonna be a group chat.
She should run this door because we knew I need to.
So glad it wasn't.
Can't see if it works.
I don't think it worked because my key is not like his key, but you can try it.
Okay.
Wait, yeah, practice that.
Did they?
Yeah.
You can try this two key
first
or
one
this.
we've ever
No,
done.
this key is outside key, so this is the third key that.
Okay.
I don't think it worked.
No, that's-
His key worked on my door. My door is not working on his
Yeah,
door.
we've never done that.
But hopefully it worked. If it worked, let me know. Give me a second. Let me post AB first, and
Yeah,
I'll
no
post
problem.
BC.
There are more kids in AB.
Not really. About the same.
I mean, at least who come after school.
Julia, I can do work.
I can't
Why?
because I have to leave. I have to go
Why?
because I don't ride home. And I need to
How far you live?
12 minutes from here.
Which way? That way? That way? Somebody live around there?
In Metro.
Metro West is kind of hot.
Wait, what are you doing here then?
Waiting for my bus because I don't want to go.
Oh, you're one of those second round.
Yeah, even though my bus, literally, like I've seen a bus go inside my neighborhood.
Really?
They just don't take me.
They don't take you?
Like there's a it's an open neighborhood, and so there's a bus that literally goes through.
Let's say you just can you just walk in the bus?
Right, but like then they won't stop for me. So I need to take another bus. They won't stop. Even though it's whatever.
That's stupid.
the interruption. All tasks for Into the Woods, please report to Mr. Bud's classroom. All tasks for Into the Woods, please report to Mr. Bud's classroom. Thank you.
That's what it was though. I think.
What are you doing, signature? What's the homework, Mr. Yu? The whole package?
He's posting it now.
I posted up already on the group chat.
Does this mean to like switch them, like swap them?
Yes.
No, I'm looking at the person doing this. See it closer. I did before I said.
Soon.
What?
Zoom in.
Oh. No.
Figure it out later. Zoom in.
What? It's in.
Why is it invalid type? I hate Canvas. So stupid. It's a
What's that?
PDF, you stupid.
It should accept it.
Huh?
You're dragging it and dropping it, right?
I did. It's an invalid type.
Huh. Oh, well, it's an image. It's asking you to upload an image, not like a file.
Oh, I'm the stupid one, huh? Hey, because I don't read. What an idiot.
Oh, yeah, there. Now you can upload it, I think.
Thank you, God Lifesaver.
No problem. No thanks.
Do you have to do all of this?
Huh?
You have to do all of it?
Wait, did I post the right one though? Wait, which one did you guys see?
Wait, let me see canvas.
He hasn't posted on Canvas yet.
Oh, the one count, yes.
Then I post the wrong one? Wait, which one did I send? Did you see this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
So much work though.
Shut up. It's like 3 questions.
Each question has 4 different questions about rotation.
Oh my god.
It's not even 3 questions straight.
Yeah, are you serious?
It's
No, that's really easy. If we get like,
oh wait, no, it's 3. Sorry, I thought.
Bro. You're not the target demographic, man.
I don't care.
You're smart, we get it, man.
No, that is absolutely not true. I did not get
How many
that.
B's have you got?
What?
How many
Test scores or average?
test scores
2 or 3?
out of all 4 years?
4 years? What do you mean? It's not 4 years of calculus. What are you talking about?
I'm saying in general, like all classes combined.
Oh, for averages. You mean
How many tests have you gone?
tests having on a B? Okay, let's see. It was every physics 1 in sophomore year was a B. And then it's a lot more than you expect. It's not like I don't get every A's in every test. I just don't get.
right?
Sorry. I
What?
just don't get
This is better
B's on
question.
averages like for that semester.
You posted a video about that
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Exactly, so you're smart.
No,
Yeah,
that's
stream
smart.
or
I
video?
just don't
Stream.
like it. Yeah, it's like you go to bed at 12, wake up at 5:40. You know,
Like I go to sleep at 10:30, 11:30.
are you serious?
Wake up at 7:30.
That's not fair. Wait, that's cheating.
Why would you think on the second?
Yeah, they were.
He was on the first page.
Oh wait, there's nothing on the thing. Yeah, I forgot to
literally just.
Or I completely forgot to say hi to you. Hey, Mr. Ye.
Where you been? I haven't seen you after school.
Because I've been grinding.
Yeah.
But I will come one of these, probably next week, not tomorrow.
Or like you were doing an arm workout and then
Did he
Gabe
say
went to
it?
get up and put his weights
No,
away.
you asked him?
I'm making her
No, no,
grind.
no, no, no. And he didn't do it again.
I'm making them grind. I'm making sure they maximize their efficiency in the gym. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah, don't waste time.
No slack. No slack.
Yeah, no slacking.
Mr. Ye,
I agree with him.
is it the whole PDF? Oh. shit,
Yes.
what the
How
heck?
many times you had to ask me?
Dude, that's
Why would you be having good idea?
Wow, like 3 questions.
no, it's 6.
What are questions?
No, that's for the
Maybe
fifth
have like
page.
8 parts.
They have 4 parts.
Well, that's like close enough.
4, 3.
See? I appreciate BC kids.
That's 22 questions.
BC kids just like,
Do the homework.
Xavier does do homework.
I'm like,
He's like the only beef
Yeah,
that
you guys see this?
You're the only one ever I've seen here.
yeah.
No, there's a lot of kids that.
him and Jake are the only ones that I know.
Oh, come here. No, yeah, but they do at home.
Yeah. The kids that they see, the BC kids that they see that come here are like exceptions to like the rest.
Yeah.
I asked a few BC
And
kids
I
and they
keep
said
paying
no.
to Maria and to
Huh?
I asked a few BC kids.
Like which one?
And I saw
Who do you got?
Emily here.
Dev?
1 minute ago.
Oh, the girl.
Dev?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dev doesn't do shit. That's why he's failing. That's why he asked me if he's. Can I get an A for the first semester? No. You don't deserve it. You can ask him. I didn't reply his email.
It is only possible when you get all
I didn't reply his email. I'm just like I just leave it unread.
What's your name?
Yeah, don't ask me if you don't do shit.
I do my work, so.
It's kids these days, you know.
Bro, you are kids. You're like,
No,
you
you
called
called
me
me
a
a boomer today. No, I know. When I said okay to what you were saying, I meant like okay, sure, or okay, boomer.
You said okay, boomer.
No, as in. I said okay, as in. Okay, like, you know how that's used.
Number 8?
Yeah.
Number 8.
I didn't call you a boomer though.
Shit, dude.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just because I'm one of the youngest ones in my senior class. I'm 17. August. Late August. So I am one of the youngest. But I can say kids these days for anyone.
Oh, that makes sense. All the
Yeah.
they all
I look at an adult, I'm like kids these days, and they're like, yeah.
That's when we do it.
What? August.
Shit. What was the competition?
Yeah.
Huh?
What
I
are
don't
we
know,
doing
like,
with the
they
math
use the-
competition?
When?
What are we doing with the math?
I
Are
can
we
say
going
like
or?
3
We are
months in
going.
school though.
You cannot go?
Literally.
I can go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I have something.
I'm allowed to say it.
The only condition is I either have to go with someone,
You cannot drive.
I can drive, but there has to be someone else in the car with me.
Oh, that's
You wanna drive me?
the permit?
You want to drive me?
Sure.
I don't want to drive. That's stupid. Him drive. Should I trust you on how to drive?
Yeah.
I
only
can
got
sleep in
one
the car.
speeding-
Good.
I only got one speeding ticket, so you're good.
Huh?
I only have one ticket, so you're
Well, it's
good.
better than me driving
Oh,
because
oh,
I have one
yeah,
eye.
right.
So.
Are you a bad driver?
I have one eye.
Your blind spot must be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Massive.
The idea is you can cut people off. Just cut people off slowly.
No, that's not the point.
Just going like this.
No, you cut people off when you're faster.
Have you ever been in like a bad accident?
Once. But that wasn't my fault though. I promise that wasn't my fault.
You got rear-ended?
Huh?
Always reverse.
Oh no, I have 3 accidents. Oh, you want to hear one of them? I hit a deer.
Hold on, guys, it's story time. Yeah. Wait, you hit a deer?
Okay, so I was driving on Hunters Creek. I was driving through Orange Avenue, and I have observation that day. So I went like you know how much like I don't get up in the morning. So I actually wake up like 6 o'clock in the morning. I drive to school with the fog, right, and everything, right. So I was driving on Orange Avenue, and I was going about not too fast, 50 mile per hour. Speed limit is 45, so I go 5 over. It was okay. So the thing is, I saw one deer, right? So one deer was across this 8-lane road, and let's say he was crossing this 8-lane road, and I was like, man, I'm a Buddhist. I was praying to Buddha. I was like, oh man, I want to make sure that he go across our 8-lane road safely, because the probability he go 8-lane road safely is it's he have high probability to get hit, right? Because everybody's driving pretty fast, really 50, 60 on Orange Avenue. So he was crossing. So he crossed the first 4 lane. He got to the median, and he tried to cross the other 4 lane. So I was praying for him. I was like, man, I hope nothing happened to him. Lo and behold, in like 3 seconds later, boom! I hit the second deer that's following the first deer. The deer flew over my car. I wasn't kidding. This deer flew over my car and landed behind my car. That's how fast I hit a deer.
What?
Yeah.
You should be happy it was a deer.
No, actually, supposedly, there was a lot of people die if you're not hitting the right speed. So I hit it fast enough, so he flew over my car. If you hit it a little bit slower, let's say 30 miles, it goes through window shield, it kill you. Like a lot of people hit deer, they kill you. But I was lucky enough, I was driving really fast.
I saw this video where it was
But lesson learned is if you see the first deer, you stop. Because there's always another deer follow the first deer.
Just go fast enough.
Or just go fast enough, but you're still gonna crash your car.
So like, what do you have to do after? If you hit a deer, like, what do you have to do?
I totaled my car. The car's gone.
Have you got a speeding ticket?
no. Are you serious? I'm smart about my speed.
Yeah, if you get a speeding ticket, your insurance goes up like a lot because you're a minor.
How it is, because the first one you
He
can
said
get it off.
something, and it was like, kid,
What?
that's
Once per
fair.
year you can get a speeding ticket.
I know.
And you already used yours? I'm a perfect user.
But literally that deer, I feel so bad. He was laying on the ground and he's not moving.
That's not very functional.
I know, I feel so bad. I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat. I don't kill even like cockroaches. Like I kind of just like take them outside. But then I kill a whole deer.
I did when I was in high school.
I wasn't. No, that was teaching.
Oh.
Yeah. So that was bad. That was really bad. I got a lot of speeding tickets. I think I was stupid and young too. I love to race on the highway
Oh.
with random people.
No, that's wrong. You race on the regular streets.
No, like, okay, should at least tell me you always put your signal on, like, for everything.
Like my highest speed I ever drive on the highway would be 140.
It depends.
Really, that's it.
I'll put
140.
signals up for crossing lanes over.
Good.
But that wasn't something that I'm proud of. I was stupid.
For traffic lights, that's okay, but like,
That's why I don't get people. They won't put signals up for changing
put signal
lanes.
on when you're going into the turning lane at least.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but they won't put signal. I mean, they'll put signal when they're in the turning lane where it says only left. Like it's obviously making a left
Yeah.
turn, and then you put signal up.
I think the signal on is like, hey, I'm gonna go left after I go left, so that's a U-turn.
Yes. Uh-huh. Yes.
Were you?
Why don't you do your homework? You have all this time to talk about nonsense.
The minute my brother texts me, I have to speed out of here.
Let's be out of here.
Then get out.
How many days are we from? Or when are we leaving?
What?
Mr. A, what happened to your
They just pop up.
One day.
no. They don't just pop out. I got in a fight.
What's up with it?
Did you actually?
No.
Let's see.
The eyebrow raise.
Oh my, can you imagine?
You can't do that.
Come on.
Validate
Come on.
it.
Oh,
Round
look at this.
me, like,
This is the mean. It's gonna blow it.
Hey.
hey, dude, their hands in trouble.
That's so. That is one of the funniest things.
I'll do that. I'm good enough to do that.
It's kind of blowing.
So stupid.
I'll do that next time.
Oh my gosh. Just flip the other car.
No.
It's like running into someone and then like stop it and like crash last second so they go over.
I didn't tell her to see it.
What are you talking about?
Are you sure
They're
you're
thinking
supposed to
of
go
it.
down on D?
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to go down.
You're supposed to
Yeah.
draw from the axis of
Keep
rotation.
going.
Oh.
I believe.
Yeah.
So
You can
I,
do that right there.
I think
Oh my
don't
God.
think
Are you serious? No, no. First of all, I'm a senior. Second of all, I would never do that, especially after what Matthew now is doing for the rest of his life.
Oh, but you would still be going.
He's fine. He's a big boy.
No, joins are forever, Mr. Ye. Like,
Yeah, they grow back.
He found out like this week or Friday.
what do you mean? It was like 2 weeks ago.
What?
That Matthew got his knee dislocated. What are you talking about?
It wasn't 2 weeks ago.
Well, when was it?
It was like part of January.
Oh, that was a long time ago.
Yeah.
No, I know when I saw him. Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
But you found out about the joint injury this week.
No. It was probably, I think it was during NHS. Like he wasn't here for our group, and then I heard.
No, what I'm saying is you found out that joint injuries are forever.
No, I don't need joint injuries with forever.
I think we said one. It would not.
Well, like bone, bam, it's clean break. It's gonna heal. Like it's just a lot of immediate pain, and then. But
They can like repair like meniscus and
Yeah,
and then-
but like
and-
joints, those tendons like do not grow back correctly.
How do you know if it's DX?
The ligaments, like
do you have a what do you have?
it's crazy. What?
What do you have?
His knee got dislocated, but also it destroyed some of his tendons. Not tendons. I don't know, whatever. But he had to have like muscle therapy for a while, physical therapy.
Yeah, that's fine.
He's like over there.
I don't know why I cannot save it.
Are you gonna post BC?
Yeah, I'm posting right now. I cannot save it.
Okay, the thing is, if you make them equal to each other, then like people.
Open. Let me see if I can open. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna send it to you first. Oh wait, your airdrop doesn't turn on. Oh, there's
Yeah,
I see Xavier.
Zero. Put 0 to 2.
I'm just all the way at the bottom for most airdrops because it's X.
But like, if you draw.
You should change your name. Just get rid of X. Just Avier. Avier. That's true. Can you post on WhatsApp?
Yeah, is it both ones, right?
Yeah.
You should make the test exactly this.
Why?
So we'll be prepared.
You know?
I'm just kidding. Don't take that seriously.
And 0 because.
Oh, does it have to be?
And if you said these, because
Hey, what years are this? Are these?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
I mean, you can look for it, but it's like that's not the point. I want you to try it without looking for it.
I always try to.
I know you do. But some people usually end up finding it. So
So you want me to be ahead of the game? No, I'm just kidding.
How do you even build? How do you even build? How do you even get the concrete stable?
first of all, you were here for 30 minutes. You could have finished like half the question.
You don't know me, Mr. Ye.
How many did you finish?
Trust me, never would have. But okay, I'll pull up.
Julia.
Don't do that, Mr. Ye. I lived 2 years with that name. It's over. That's behind me now.
your bus really is like every day.
Why I never try to wait for it.
So bad.
Camille, you doing okay? You must have a fight with your brother.
No.
You guys never sit this apart.
Sit over here. Sit over there.
Your brother's pretty cool. I like him, even though he's not my student, but I
No, it's
still
not,
like
it's
him.
not.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
he's basically playing pro.
I think
You know what that is?
I still owe him pizza. Keep on forgetting.
Yeah,
Exactly.
He's a very famous streamer. When I say famous, I mean.
Huh? Which pizza?
I don't know.
What's where you guys? You live in a grove?
We live next. It's like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you guys could walk home, right? You guys walk home?
Sometimes when my mom is working.
Let me see.
It's posted.
Thank you.
That's Diana's what she did.
Could we?
It's okay.
I think we did that.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my goodness. Finally gotta pick up my kids.
I would have to set a daily reminder to pick up my kids. Honestly.
No, my son's like, Daddy, why you always late?
It's so sad.
I'm hungry.
What time do they get out?
No.
Huh?
What time do they get out?
It depends on the day. So some day they have clubs. So those days I can pick up at 4, but if that they don't have club, I mean, like Wednesday, like they get out at like 1:30. I didn't pick them up until like 3:20.
What do they do?
Oh, they have this cafeteria just hang out.
Previously, they leave at 1:30.
1:30 to 2, I think 2. Wednesday is shorter day.
Yeah, but
It's shorter day for you guys too.
for elementary school, it's like you're done at 3.
No, Wednesday is a little bit early, right?
Yeah, and then you're done at 2 on Wednesday.
Are your kids in elementary school?
What?
Are your kids in elementary school?
Yeah, well, one of them's at middle school, one's at 6th grade.
Are you gonna teach your kids when they come here?
Yeah, I already told him. I said I will fail your ass. If you don't do shit, I'll fail your ass. No, I have this conversation like I have this conversation last week because I was like he was like not doing well in one class. I was like, and even like the thing that's due, and he didn't turn in. I said no, you're gonna go back and do it. I don't care about for grade or not for grade. So you're gonna go back and you're gonna do the grade and then show me, and I can let you decide if you can play game or not. So I'm very strict. I'm very strict. Like if you have me as dad, bye, Julia. No, I don't. Does anybody have pencil that she can borrow? I know. You.
Yes. Is the actual class also going to be all for kids?
I'm still writing it, so
Lesson better than I understood yesterday.
What do you guys want to do?
today is disc and washer.
Oh my gosh. Honestly, a blessing if they can understand that.
No, it's not that bad. It's okay.
No, it's not that bad, but if you have to do it in terms of other lines or like
Alpha axis rotation.
yeah. Other yeah.
Yeah, the alpha axis rotations. It's not that bad. It's just it's like when they rotating no, y-axis is nothing. I rotate way harder than that. I rotate like x equal to 13.
Yeah, seriously. That's actually one of the axes.
Yeah.
And then the trouble is finding out the equation specifically for that.
Yeah, you cannot miss a parenthesis. If you miss a parenthesis, you screw.
If you miss the square, you're also screwed. It's like crazy. Yeah, parentheses are right.
I feel so bad. Like take out so many point on parentheses. Like they forgot a parenthesis, they subtracted, and then they forgot a parenthesis. I was like, no, that's wrong answer. But the truth is, it's not right answer. So there's no way I can give you points.
I make sure to tell my little brother if he ever gets like a negative wrong, I'm like, you got the exact opposite of the correct answer. Okay, like you gotta do better. Cause it's so important.
How old is your brother?
He's 13.
Is he coming to school?
Yeah, he's coming to school next year.
Good.
Oh, I think it's.
I could have him.
What?
Is he worse than you?
What do you mean? His teachers aren't as good as mine, but like I try to.
No, this one's 0 4. 0 4.
He has really he still has really good grades though, so like
No.
he knows what he's doing.
I don't know how to do B. I watched the video on the
B?
very question and
Okay, so you're gonna take a derivative of this. So it's gonna be 1/5 of, so d2b dt is equal to -1/5 db dt. And db dt is, you plug it back in.
Oh, a lot of people
So
get that
so I
wrong.
got this
More
and
thoughtful.
yeah, but
Make
the
sure to remember that.
problem of that is that's -1 over minus 100 minus b. Okay, so then you have b is 20, so it would be like so it'll be negative. So if
so I just plugged 20 in for here. Okay.
so it'll be still negative. It's negative is concave down. If it's concave down, then it's over approximation because your tangent line is above.
Okay.
Then that's gonna be over approximation.
So I don't have to find the tangent line.
You do. You still have to do tangent line. So that's another part. That's another check mark you missed. So total there's 3 check mark here, and there's like 5 check mark here. I'm surprised you how bad you did on this one.
Yeah.
Why? What happened to you? Something going on? You don't want to share?
Too much. Head in the gym too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, really, that'd be pretty cool.
What?
Yeah. Let's do.
Oh, that's so nice. So that's just the answer to 0. Or is it-
Wait. Let's see. Square root of y. R squared of y minus r squared of x.
There's been a mistake.
Oh, wait, we didn't integrate it.
What are you talking about?
Me?
Oh. I'm like, I didn't write this question. I don't think there's a mistake there.
Oh. No, I got a notification that you posted the assignment, and I'm like, no.
If it's concave down, that's an underestimate.
Like 12. Wait, wait.
What?
No,
If the second derivative is concave down, or if the second derivative is negative, that's concave down, so it's underestimate.
No, it's over. Because it's concave down, it's over. So think about a Karate Kid. It was like this. It was concave down. The tangent line is always over approximation.
Okay.
Always. I'm gonna have to go back over that question because a lot of people do.
Root of
Factors.
Okay.
That's Stevens.
Would this be my slope? Or
No.
do I
Slope,
plug in?
you're gonna plug in the
20
root.
or-
Yeah, it plug in the first derivative,
Okay.
not a second. The one you got is second.
We don't have to give you the interval. It only asks for the radius of convergence, right?
Huh?
We don't have to give you the interval if it only asks for the radius.
Yeah, unless they ask you interval convergency.
Okay.
Oh wait, the second page is the answer. Oh my god, mystery A.
Yes.
Oh my, I like just called down.
Oh my god.
I was like, I was so okay.
What's the problem there, right?
That's so cool.
Wait, that means we got them right. Mystery A,
Huh?
I'm gonna do this.
What? No, this is hardest test. I'm sorry. To
Yeah, it is.
bust your bubbles.
What else do we have to learn? Like how many more?
There's this washer, and so that worksheet has off-axis rotation, which is the hardest part, and there's cross sections.
Those are tests gonna be kind of soon.
What?
Those are tests gonna be soon.
Tuesday.
That's today. No.
All right, I gotta go before my kids yell at me. Camila, you doing okay? You're on your phone.
It's
I think it's
Let's change the line. What do I plug in? Do I have to do the interval?
So this the input, that's the output. So input.
so the line comes back. Oh my god.
All right, I'm gonna go.
Shay, what's the difference between Taylor series and power series?
Sometimes you can. So, for example, power series, you're gonna have something like 1 over n times x to the something, x to the n, or whatever that is. And Taylor series is you actually go find out the f of zeros, f prime of 0, and stuff like that. But
how do we get 0 and 4?
sometimes you can do, for example, Taylor series. It can be represented in terms of power series. Then it's the equation you memorize for the shorthand of, like, so for example, sine of x is x minus x to the third over 3 factorial x over factorial minus x whatever, and whatever that is.
Oh,
There's a general form of that. The general form is a power series of the sine of x.
Okay.
But how do you get a general form of a power series? It's using Taylor series to get that, right? Because there's no way for you to get that because they're not geometric. So for example, 1 over 1 minus x, those are geometric series, but you can write it in term power series.
And okay, and then for that, remember that e to the x1, like the last one asks us to take the double derivative. Were we supposed to do like quotient rule twice?
No, you take in the no, you don't do a quotient rule because n is constant.
Yeah.
You only had I think it's x to the 2n, like x minus 1 to the 2n, I think. And there was like n over n plus 1 factorial, I think.
Yeah.
If you take a derivative of that 2n, the 2n is going to drop down, to be in the front, and the top is gonna be 2n minus 1.
So you just do that in terms of variables then?
Yeah, so the n is all constant.
Yeah, they all represent.
So you don't need the quotient rule. Whatever underneath, they are constant. They just totally ignore it. You only need to do derivative of x to the 2n, pretty much. So you see that the solution says, I think it says 2n times 2n minus 1 times x to the 2n minus 2.
Times x minus 1 to the minus 2.
Yeah.
And then
So
all
basically, they just take a 2 derivative of that.
and then all over n plus 1 factorial.
Yeah, so that's all constant though.
Okay.
Do you see what I'm saying? They're all constant. When you take a derivative, it's just gonna be exactly the same thing. We did that with the sine of an x graph, and it would turn to become the cosine of an x graph. This is how you memorize from sine to cosine in terms of power series. You take a derivative of the sine, you get cosine.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Like go to power series, look at it, the sine of x, and then go power series, cosine of x. So take a derivative of sine of x, it's gonna give you to the term of cosine of x.
Yeah.
So it's actually pretty cool. Oh boy. All right, I'll see you guys later. Good luck. Juicy. He's gonna be surprised today. Daddy, you early today. When he got this, Winnie, he's like,
What's
this
that?
is on his table when you walk in.
What is that?
It's like a church magazine.
It's
like church and black people, let's get together.
Oh my god.
I was like, man, God's spoken to you right now. It's on your table.
No, like
Hey, good geometry.
make X to Y. If I do like
Oh, right. So we ran for a while. Let's see
okay, but
zero.
still use some that's still
Because then it would be difficult.
negative Y. Oh, yeah, I'm thinking big, right?
You are?
I'm not against stress.
You got it? Cool question. You can count. Bye, guys. Have a great day.
You summon
16 of 2. Thank you.
Would it just would it be y? Maybe like y squared again. Instead of 0, make it 1.
Why? What?
What?
Huh?
What? It's sock.
Bullying me every day.
Okay.
Every day I walk in that class. She's out for me, bro.
Yeah. Nah, she was just like. You act like
She's my ops, bro.
you act like me in that class. You don't.
I was born and she started having a bad feeling.
We act the same in that class. You have worse grades. than me. You realize that, right?
Yeah, I mean, I know that. Day I was born, she was like, oh, bad
Okay,
case.
so. Just come see your dog. And her husband and mother-in-law next time. Next time she's out like my mother-in-law.
Did you show her a video or something?
What?
Did you show her a video from mother-in-law?
No, she has a picture. You know, we like personally met. Like, okay, so he was at her mother-in-law's house,
Yeah.
and then she had to like pressure wash the driveway. And her mother-in-law lives like near where I live. It's the neighbor next one. And I said, oh yeah, I'll do the pressure washing for you for like extra credit. She's like, no, but you can come say hi. So I went and said hi.
On it.
It's a picture of like me and Jake and yeah. It's her and her dog.
That's awesome.
It was a weird experience. I feel like I shouldn't have been there. So he likes me, bro. I'm telling you. I believe you.
E to the 0 is 1.
Good job.
I don't need your. I know the word. Hold on.
There you go.
Does it start with a P?
No.
Input.
No.
Your
How does it?
affirmation.
That's a good one then.
You don't know.
It's like someone praises you when you're. No.
Backseat. It's like here, dude.
Where were you?
You're going on the other stuff.
Where were you at?
Picture now. It's hard to pick.
Yeah,
I feel like there's a name called Autistic on the floor.
Yeah.
This one.
Don't pay
I would leave you with them.
Politically united. What's the
But I
You there?
Graduate's
People need to.
Yeah, the club, the Tootsie Club.
How do you do that?
Oh no, he's calling me after. Oh, because I'm after later. Starts out.
That is blind, not about to kill him.
Hey, what does that mean? The girl said she's like, what's that? I said you thought I said
I thought it was turn the computer around.
Still last time.
It's like, I didn't mean it in this line.
I don't even have it at home.
It's
I just went to. You say it doesn't get fed.
No, my parents only have salad and vegetables.
My parents are everything.
Girl, I was not.
You need protein.
No carbs.
There's protein. You need protein to live. I love Brian.
I'm so.
How many times did you tell Brian? How many times did you talk in the?
I talked 5 times. Mine is 5.
That's your.
Yeah.
Did you read the book? Why did you? Yeah.
No, I'm gonna read it to you. No, I need to get like in
Being a little. You spoiled the book. I'm trying to read it. No, the thing is, I like started like getting an experience. Not actually.
I don't have Mariah Carey. How are you? She.
Some said why is your lock in?
Oh, okay. So I got the full page right here.
Yes, I get
Oh, yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got everything on this page wrong. I got everything on this page right. I got everything on this page wrong. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
That was the scariest thing of my life.
Let me think.
I don't think you realize. I don't think you realize how bad.
I think Hawker is
This is literally what I see.
that's me.
I think they're.
Don't get nuts because
I think they're good.
That's one of the best. Like.
wait, hold on, where?
Okay, I think so.
Ever heard of chocolate book? Possibly, but hear me out though. Go ahead, thank you.
I look great.
Yeah,
Hey,
every
everything
single-
here was like broken in space.
Yeah.
It's like a video message. You go to the other shipping
Starbucks,
adventure.
Chipotle.
Huh?
Everyone's they will just go crazy.
Hell. What?
No.
They're not
Spinning objects are way more dangerous than sharp objects. Just.
Oh, I'm not sure this game.
No,
That was the word.
no, that. But like the most dangerous object is spinning objects, not.
Yeah, but not.
It's photogenic.
No, right.
One of those giant like industrial like.
But like one time when I was younger, there was a milkshake. One of those milkshake things.
Yeah.
That you put it in. Put it in the cup. I'm like, wow, that was so cool to touch.
Look, you're
Yeah, like cut a hole
playing into
through
it.
it.
First mention.
Yeah.
No, you're from nice. It's giving explanation.
What I did.
You're by all that old people. By old people. What's your incidence of black men?
What did you say?
Okay. And show me the Oh my ears. I'm glad. It's always too hard. I don't get it. Oh.
What do we got? Maybe something,
Do it again, so we can straighten it out.
Oh wait, no, I think.
I just did it the other way.
Yeah. Basically, taking out this something. I'm not gonna straighten it like.
No.
The opposite motion was straight.
I don't.
I have to go and give that answer. Like, no, you didn't do that.
It's on the comments.
No, because we did it with the balance of 4-0.
What are the red?
I was giving it out.
I am doing that. Just not.
Give company. Oh wow, you're doing it.
Are you?
Yes.
I know you were doing it right.
I was.
Oh.
Then so you have to make a business.
Yeah, I know.
Girl, just like
The thing is, I thought it was like very like you know how like some things are trending on TikTok. You don't really know it's fine with us for every single time.
she doesn't fucking care.
So
You know, she literally does this. No, she fucking did it now. It's not on the website, search it out. Which is not every Instagram.
So this one's actually beginner friendly. You could use Amazon.
Then I guess it's free.
You got me there. You got me there.
So we're having dinner.
Yeah, what about I'm not crying for sure.
You can
make it one where you.
I feel like being invested in like this is
How do you do that?
like it's not like you make waiting on me.
Oh, the sodas?
Something like
Oh,
good.
look,
So
yeah.
Yeah, the
this kind of-
No.
Okay, I would get into what we're doing.
How do you do that?
I'm gonna ask.
Yeah, well, yeah, there are kids that love it.
So this is my. This is the first one. This is the second one. But the thing is, none of these matches the.
What's your
Oh!
No.
This is it.
Is it not good?
You like the beat?
So we're just gonna like.
No.
Look at this.
I just don't want it to be like that one girl. Oh yeah. No, but I do like the beach at the time. Not the time I want to go to the beach, so I go to the beach.
Today's like we're not in March. We'll probably research it mid-April.
Okay, yeah. Just to go see what it's like. Like I feel like with dropshipping, like the most important thing is finding products that are like trending.
Yeah.
No, but the thing is, like China, you know, like they actually like make it so fast. Like in a matter of weeks, they're gonna make it so cheap, and it's gonna like.
Wait, so where did you find this idea?
On TikTok. No, actually, no. It was when we like decided to quit that day, and I was like, I wanted to do something Disney-wise that helped me like look good for college. Because I feel like DECA blanket is gonna be even more like better, more better. Like it's starting on bitches essentially, so like it'll just be like.
And I think it's really good to start masters this summer's going. That's what I'm thinking. It's really gonna be trending.
Yeah.
So.
Brian, what do you want to get into?
Yeah.
I'll be like.
I don't think you need to start a business for that.
Brian, like exporting it.
I don't think you need to start a business for that.
Brian.
I know.
What do you say?
Start a business.
Where are you coming?
Are you gonna like importing?
Actually, you know what? I can't talk. This just haven't come out yet.
Like if you buy products that are already existing and then you resell them.
Yeah, that's literally how it
Yeah,
is.
you know what?
Like it looks so illegal, but apparently it's legal.
Yeah, I know it's
Sure.
legal. But it just made something different.
I'll look at in China. They're working on it.
The money's right there.
Oh, who made that?
That is the idea.
Definitely interesting. I knew what dropshipping was.
Yeah.
I was like,
But I never like thought of doing
like
it.
I think you see like
Do we have a response to
you see the mouth shop TikTok with like It was like it was like basically leave the matrix or something like that, and it was like a whole bunch of mice like getting
Yeah.
trapped.
Oh,
Like
No, that's great.
when I finally woke up from the matrix, and they started dropshipping.
I hate when they like advertise like I feel like they should do it like as like a information.
I feel like everybody who does dropshipping though, like they try selling their books, and then I'm like,
Books?
yeah.
What books?
What do you mean? Like they sell books, like oh, this is how you go and successfully dropship.
Oh, books. I'm like, I thought you were trying to like sell books. I'm like, girl, who's gonna want
No,
that?
I get privacy screen on
And then
TikTok.
really, they don't even like
Why not?
they're not actually selling much.
Because you're looking at it.
It's
I
like,
think I hold it that's in my hand.
Yeah.
You can see it. This is another way
Yeah.
to get into that.
You say no?
Yeah. Goodness, cause I mean, I feel like I
oh,
She's oh, but it doesn't work.
you guys doing homework yet? No.
no. I'm doing the H thing. I see a couple of
You
H's.
say you equal
Oh.
I understand. I'm like, this is not real. I understand.
He's like it's not eight.
AP environmental student.
If you're calling her first student, you're gonna call the erase.
It's AP environmental students.
Science.
I see a couple of A's.
Dickhead, bro. What are
You
you talking
are
about?
so racist.
Yeah, get out of this.
Yeah.
Wait, which one's doing it?
Only one number
Like,
can have
that's
it.
the
Oh,
answer.
it's
Yeah, really not.
So why did that one person like come
Five.
Sophia.
Yeah.
That was funny. She said Emily want to copy.
Why did you think so hard?
And call me Margaret.
If someone C and D is one,
You do.
who you?
Honestly, you should take advantage of this capitalistic society.
The most like general, most statement all over.
If someone pushes you, if someone hits you, throw them in jail. I'm silly. Or can a virus
Hey guys, buy low, sell
Oh.
high. Buy low, sell high.
If you start really that, you're so.
It's giving grips of wrath. It's giving the card.
It's so simple, guys.
Yeah.
Make money, get rich fast. Yeah, that's all they do, bro.
Yeah.
What's
I'm pretty sure they make money by saying that in their actual business.
Guys, it's not a pyramid scheme, it's a multi-level management plan.
Euphemism, guys. That's the way. Yeah.
Great. Oh wait, how did you use those for this right? Or I have to I have to make new bounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bruh, I don't wanna draft it.
Actually, so number one. Number two. Oh.
I just don't, I'm just kinda dumb.
It's like you added one to the rifle graph and then you put the line.
You guys, it's okay to be dumb. I support
It's
you.
just up one, but
Yeah.
Honestly, you being dumb just helps my GPA.
Honestly.
thank you, Brad.
Oh, what are you guys?
Oh, not you, bro. My GPA is way.
Oh, there you go.
One, two, one.
Was one easy?
Was one easy. I don't know.
A
if
and B
it's
were
easy
pretty
yet.
solid.
How long did it take?
It took us, I don't know.
Like
Wow.
But we were kind of slow.
Yeah, we didn't finish
Wow.
Yeah, we were kind of funny. We didn't get them.
No, it's
You wanna know
pretty hard.
something really mean? You know Marco Pizarro? He's so mean. You know what he did to me?
What did you do?
It's just fine.
We do not do-
Bro, who asked you?
Let's go out.
It doesn't matter what girl did, it was like-
It
it was probably
Yes. Okay.
I want to know.
So, Marco Pizarro forgot his phone, right? So, like, I didn't know it was his phone. So I texted, like, Marco just to like, his phone. I said, you forgot your phone or whatever. And then he showed it to every single person. And so Brian texted me about your phone while he had my phone. While
Yeah, this one.
he had his phone.
Well,
I had his phone. And then he literally showed everyone. And I got embarrassed. But you know what? It's okay.
you repeat what you said? I have no idea.
No, actually, I'm okay. I'm a little hungry right now, so I don't think I should be talking.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you gonna eat?
I'm gonna eat a bowl of ice cubes and a celery. Oh, no, it is actually.
How do we do this?
I don't want to.
You should try eating.
I know it's too A&D.
Arc
I
sine
hate that
of
shit,
3 over
but-
2 is pi over
As you
2.
should.
Arc sine of
Think,
3 over 2
but
is what?
Oh,
Pi over 3.
Yeah.
4.
Xavier.
I thought you don't need my opinion.
Patron on there. There.
Patient. Patient.
I think.
Arc sine of what?
Hell yeah.
It'll be 0 to 4.
Hell yeah. it
Pi
is.
over 3.
Pi over 3.
Okay.
Xavier being R. The one that doesn't change that is why it is 1, right? This is 1. 1 squared.
Phone. The one that doesn't.
Oh, now what?
The one that doesn't change is 1.
That's the first one.
Or they are.
Radical. Was it 1 plus radical x?
Yeah.
So,
Ooh, that's my favorite song.
Y squared over.
so it's 20.
Do you integrate the whole
What?
thing?
Oh, the answer to number 3. Pi squared over 18.
Yeah.
Do you integrate the
Shit.
whole thing? Or do you.
Yeah.
So, like.
It should just be 1 plus x.
No, that's what I'm saying. I think you integrate the whole thing. Right?
Or would it just be 1 plus x? Do
I don't think that's
it
how that works.
doesn't work like that? Okay.
But I don't know if my way is how that works either. So you just write 1 plus radical x squared dy. It'll tell you.
I was in photo math.
No, you know what I'm saying?
When in doubt, photo math it out.
Fair.
Yeah, I know.
I'm lost in
The way,
waiting.
Boom, boom,
What's the bit it did?
boom, boom.
I guess I should have. Hello.
It's a bit weird.
Honestly, what if I did theater, you guys?
What?
Do it. We can't solve this, but just yeah. That's
Third.
stop. This square. Oh my god.
Negative 5 pi. That's wrong.
Look, this is what it tells me the integration is.
There's so much wine. Yeah, that's because someone to. You know what? I think we should ask someone to split up the work.
Oh, you boil it?
Boil?
Yeah. Oh.
I never knew what that meant.
Listen. You know what it is. You just don't know the name. Look.
I think I broke my thigh.
You can't break your muscle, it's okay.
I think
Yeah,
it would be
once
okay
I
if
did
you
break
did.
it.
Look.
You don't know what you're talking
Look.
about.
I know exactly what I'm talking about.
Like this.
Just like you can't break paper.
Damascus.
31 plus 2 radical x plus. And then you integrate that. Oh, stop.
Be
Because that's what that
who
is.
you are.
Wow.
Girl,
Star.
girl, star, you mean celebrity? Yeah.
Wait.
Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Ba-be-boom.
Bubble gum,
Ba-
cherry
ba-be-boom, ba-be-boom.
Are you quiet?
I mean with my brother.
You were saying all the legible. You were saying all the gibberish that like sounded like fire.
Nah.
You know when they do those songs that like the words aren't words.
Run fast.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
It's not even Latin or anything. It's just like
You
shit,
do
it's not words.
anything you
Yeah.
want.
They're weird.
Time you want.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ba-be-boom, ba-be-boom,
Just run,
ba-be-boom.
run, away.
I feel so lightheaded right now.
You should probably drink water.
And
Yeah.
Water.
We got the best water at the school.
That's true.
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's the best refillable one.
I stuck at vibrato.
At least you can do it. A lot of people can't do it.
Go ah!
How do you do that? Like,
You just gotta shake your voice. Yeah. You play the violin just like.
That's how I do it.
I actually can't do vibrato violin either.
Oh really?
I don't know what the heck to do.
Let me read my answer.
Like that?
I'm so bad. Contrarious to I said rain. And collide. Oh! Yeah. Girl, I know I ate that up so good.
You should be like live from living today, just singing everything.
You rather have me.
No.
Easy.
I don't know how much people watch that show.
What's the good like Charlie song?
Today's Hey, it's crazy, but I know
Your
future
future
is bright. Period.
In there, baby.
Yeah. Well, that's the end.
That's the end of it.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, I know. Yes way.
Seriously.
Did you ever watch Dog Vlog?
Did they even have a theme song?
Wait, everyone watched what?
Vlog.
It wasn't my favorite show.
But you did watch it.
Like
Did you
no.
watch Lab Rat?
Lab Rats was good.
I prefer Austin Alley or Jesse.
Jesse was really good.
Or
I can't say anything about
I've been watching Jesse like in the morning.
Hey,
Just
Justin.
put it on.
that was a vibe. Childhood was such a vibe.
Hey,
Just imagine like waking up.
Like in the morning, yeah, Jesse, dude. Literally. I feel like try like watch at night, like going to sleep.
No.
I don't think I've ever watched a single episode of the show.
You are straight. All of
I don't think it was that good.
Well, how would you know if you never watched it?
What? No, I said I don't think.
You know, for a second, I had an obsession with Ever After High, and then Descendants took over as the.
Is it?
You don't know
If
Descendants?
only.
Yeah, the movie.
I watched the first one.
Yeah, I also only watched the first one.
Maybe. Did
I stopped watching Disney Channel after that. The guy from Jesse died. You know the one who played the Prince.
Cameron
Boy.
Yeah,
There.
yeah. And I'm like, I can't watch the Simpsons anymore.
Hey, 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 lover.
You don't have to be. Dude,
Hey, I was vibing.
hey, you always sing songs that I like. It's been stuck in my head like 3 days before.
Oh, well, it's stuck in your head now. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. This harmonized. Okay.
You
3.
got that.
Ma'am, I don't think that's
Solo.
possible.
You can solo.
Oh,
There are some people who have actually vibrated before they
yeah,
use each
they
other.
can like make tube notes out of it.
Yeah. Pretty sure it takes like forever.
What other shows are there?
No.
Like Guardians? No, I'm just kidding. That was earlier.
Ant Farm.
Ant Farm.
No, I never watched the show.
I watched it when I was like,
What was that one with that musician guy?
did you watch Mighty Men?
Mighty Man was so good. Oh my gosh. And I had no right to be that good.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Dude, Mighty Men in Black
I never saw it.
Oh, the crossover? That was a good
Dude.
one. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, the Nickelodeon show. Oh, where's the Nickelodeon show?
Yeah, I looked at like the Nickelodeon shows after they did Victorious or
I know.
something. I didn't recognize a single one.
now the
For
world
reality.
will
Change for me and be so wonderful.
Send that.
Oh, yeah.
What? You got it. What they say. Yeah.
Shake it up backpack in kindergarten.
Really? I haven't hit on that. No,
I never watched Hannah Montana.
really? No, because I had like Hannah Montana everything, and then my parents suspected I was gay. Little do they know. Little do they know. Yeah. Yeah. When am I gonna come out? Because that's a good question for the future. That's a good.
You haven't come out to your parents yet?
No. Girl, once I get my money, once I become rich, once I become that bitch.
You don't think they already suspect?
No.
Really?
No.
Even your movement.
Even when I drink,
Yeah.
my voice is instrumental. Yeah, you know.
Stinking funny. Do this.
Integrate two radical acts.
You make it two
Integrate
X,
two-
three, two
Yeah,
X.
two-
Oh,
You
so one
can-
half.
You can take the
Two
two
X.
out
Yeah.
and just multiply it with-
Are you
Oh
nervous?
shit.
So it's like
Are you-
I am.
I should probably start doing my calculus homework.
Sometimes
Six.
these are things that maybe
Oh,
not
four
dream.
over three.
You sound like you have auto-tune in the sense like you rather.
It's giving autotune the off-key version. Hold on, hold on.
It feels like a party.
Every day.
Hey, Jesse.
Hey,
Just okay. That was the unexpected.
You're the person who posted that Super Mario Sunshine music on
Did you watch Girl Meets World and Boy Meets World?
Yeah.
Oh, Boy Meets World? Okay, I watched Girl. Sorry. I watched Boy Meets World.
Meets World.
And then I watched
How
Boy
does
Meets
the theme song go? I've been waiting for
For
a
Dude,
disgusting
their same song was so good.
Yeah. Beat like a drum on the edge of something wonderful.
Face to face with.
No, I need a whole ass dance in second grade to that song. I'm gonna kill myself.
Don't do that.
Did you ever watch I
Not
Didn't
good
Do
for
It?
you.
Did anyone ever watch I Didn't
Kind
Do It?
of.
Watch what?
I Didn't Do It.
Like one episode without it.
They like had like one season that they canceled.
Did you guys watch the Thundermans?
Yes.
The Thundermans?
Thundermans.
I did.
They're not what you see, and living all life is a secret.
No, no.
A picture perfect. Not trying to be normal.
Well, I argued with one of my friends who that show. He was like, "It's real. Like they actually have the power." And I was like, "How? How is that possible?" And then he said, "It's because it's live. You can't fast forward or anything."
I feel literally recording. That's what we all think.
No. A movie that I love about superpowers. Did you guys ever watch Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children?
No.
Oh, the movie?
No.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking about watching it.
No way. No
You
way.
just have to do this and that'll be it.
You guys, is the homework long?
Shouldn't be, but it is.
I did that, but I didn't get that.
For extra
Yo, I
two.
used to
This is widely considered the hardest season, guys. So you'll know.
Really?
Yeah.
Related Ridge was the hardest for me.
Yeah, that and optimization.
No way.
Don't get last cut.
Dude.
Raisin.
We need help.
Yeah.
What?
Marco,
You
you're
need help us?
Although,
jail.
Why?
You need to go to
You
jail.
were mean to Brian.
Exactly. I don't appreciate
Dude, okay. Okay, you wanna hear?
Hey, homie, come here. Honestly,
Yeah, what I do want.
honestly, my God.
Finding my side of the story. After you hear my side of the story, you're
Go
gonna
ahead,
go.
go ahead.
So I left my phone in the.
Yeah, like a dumbass.
oh, that's so
Yeah.
cool. That's so
Mute it. I walked out and I'm like, oh shit, where's my phone? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit.
You know?
Yeah, where's your phone?
So I was like, oh, it's not being inside. So I did the 180,
What?
dash back,
Dash, baby.
and I arrived, and I saw Brian with my phone in his hand. I'm like,
Exactly.
Ryan.
Hey, I gave you my story.
what could
Remember?
Brian be doing with?
I was hacking. I was hacking.
So I'm like, okay, whatever. Just give me my phone. I got
I
my
didn't give you
phone,
my phone.
Yeah.
and I got my phone, and I walked off,
You walked off.
and I saw Max,
Nah, hey, man.
and then I walked, and then I went on my phone to listen to music, and I was like, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
I got a message on my phone,
A message.
and this isn't just from any random person.
Ryan.
Brian.
Did you put your phone number on there?
No. It's from Brian
It's
Chip.
from Brian. Oh,
So when I looked on it,
Hey, I gave you my story.
I saw it, and I was like, okay, what could Brian Chip have said?
What?
2 seconds after just saying
I
it.
didn't know.
It said, you forgot your phone.
You forgot. Oh,
Oh, you took his phone?
Dude, he had my phone and texted me.
hey.
You forgot your phone.
No. In all fairness, I
You're on my side now.
No. Remember when I said I wanted to see if it was Marco's phone. So I
That's an excuse.
no.
Okay. Yeah, no. Hold the phone.
Oh, you're
I wanted to
I'm holding the phone. Brian. We sit on our own island, you and me.
Oh,
So
you
if
guys
there's-
have own island.
If there's a phone there, there's almost 100% chance certainty that it's Marco's. If it's not yours. Like you sit right here, and I sit like right here, and the phone was right here.
Back up.
The phone was
Now
right
let
there.
me explain my side of the story.
You already explained the story.
Oh no, in detail. To refute every single one of
Ooh,
his pictures.
Oh no,
What a debate.
Getting the debate.
This is a debate. This is a fucking debate.
Why were you not in debate actually?
Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
Okay, go.
Rest not the-
Yeah, the one thing that you don't debate in. Okay, go.
Oh. You know what? This shit right up your ass.
Oh.
Oh, but right.
Go ahead. repeat every
Anyways. Okay, so in all fairness, I was there. And then everyone was leaving, so I thought, someone might just leave their phone. So I wanted to see if it was. Because first of all, not only is your phone case ugly as fuck, so I would
Oh
not,
no, that's so mean.
That's ad hominem.
I would not memorize what?
That's ad hominem.
I would not memorize. I wonder what Marco's phone looks like. So therefore, I texted just to make sure, and it was your phone. So in all fairness,
They're not gonna listen to you, Brian.
Oh,
They gave up. They gave up on you. They don't want to listen anymore, bro.
You listen to me, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Like what?
Yeah, I put cheaters.
No.
I need to pee.
Bye, Mark. Wait, help us. Help us. Please. Please.
That false title though.
What you looking at?
Beer? Interesting.
Hey. Hey, help me, please. Help us. Please.
Revolve.
How far do you want to this?
I'm doing test square.
Nowhere.
Do you want to split it? Do you want to split it?
Let's do tomorrow.
Do you want to split it? Do you want to
No,
split
it's
it?
do like it's do like.
Do tomorrow night.
It is.
Do tomorrow.
Come on, Tom.
These are pretty big things.
Can you help me?
Marco, can we split the assignment?
Why is that? Why? How do you do that? Oh, is that right? Draw the line from
That's inappropriate.
that. Is that how you draw the line?
From me?
You know what I'm saying? Or you draw them from me?
I'm hungry.
I think he said it never goes down. Remember?
It always goes.
He did say that, right?
No, it doesn't go down. It always goes to the access of what it is.
Oh, interesting. So then you're right.
No,
You're
I
right.
am interesting. I know.
From right. How the fuck do you set it up?
Okay.
Stop.
Marco.
I'm sorry.
You're crazy. You're fucking.
Okay.
No way.
What do you know?
Let you read your. Let you.
Because I tried to recognize it. Oh my god.
Mine
There's
is this.
so much.
What?
The fuck?
Five.
Five?
Yeah.
Four.
Four. Oh,
Mine is.
4 minus.
Weird.
Fuck you.
So,
We need
we're
more.
not
I'm not talking
Shut the fuck up.
this question.
Yeah. Wait, that's a peach thing? Oh, no.
Dude, I know that. No. The mango.
That shit is
Oh.
booty. Shit, that shit is dookie. I won with that. It's so bad.
I used the
Actually, yeah, try one. It's so
I was
good.
thinking the
Shut
derivative.
up.
Dude, it tastes like a tornado. Yeah. It tastes
I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
like a
I'm
tornado.
done with you. I'm done with
It tastes like a sand
you.
dune.
No, this is mango. This is mango. This is mango.
I'm good.
Help.
You
Oh.
fuck.
Can I have one?
Throw it.
You good?
No, Marco, the answer's like 256
throw.
or 15.
This is good. It's a good thing. It's already.
Where's your?
Yeah, it is. Wait, throw it up.
No.
It's better than the. It's better than the other one, right?
Yeah, throw it up.
It doesn't taste good.
Yeah, it's
It tastes good.
That was a bad throw. Objectively.
X.
I'll still eat it though.
See, we're getting big numbers.
Oh, see, that's good. 'Cause the answer's like 256 or 55. Fuck that shit.
What is that?
It's bad throw. It's user error.
How high can I throw it? Right. I
He's
can throw it.
coming from this way.
You get us to one week.
I think so.
It's easier to work.
I think if you right, that's crazy.
I think so.
Okay. Thanks.
I don't know. I think
Hell.
You have food.
What's 3 what's 3/4 of it?
Marco, do you have food?
Why is it 60?
Aren't, don't you have food?
No.
Dude, it's literally
What?
food.
Yeah.
What? Listen, what's 4 to the 5th?
Hey, you guys have food in the pit?
4 to the 5th, Marco.
Or
Go
the
around.
fifth.
Dude, that shit is a million. I cannot tell you.
Zero.
Dude, I don't know. It's not. It doesn't matter.
Huh?
Wait.
Yeah, you guys have
That is two. What the hell?
Wait, Marco.
Also, wait, also
zero to
your
two. Are the
Yeah,
down
no, like front
0
of
to
the
2 or 0 to 4?
Yeah, it's off.
It was his mango snack.
I think it's
Oh no,
two.
it's 2 to 2. It's 2.
Zero to two.
It's 0 to 2?
Dude, it's literally 2 to 2.
Wait, how?
Or is it negative?
Or how can you
Is it negative 2 to 2?
Okay, shut the fuck up and just make up your mind.
Bro.
Dude, it's negative 2 to 2.
How the fuck is it negative 2 to 2?
Because x squared equals 4, and then you square root, and it's 2 and negative 2.
Oh, wow.
Oh, bro.
You juniors. That's such a
Honestly.
Sorry.
You did your
honestly,
shut the fuck up.
You juniors credit a lot.
Yeah, a little aggressive.
I pressed the most.
No, that's not actually just had here.
No,
Let's go say.
It's like clean water.
Yeah.
You naturally don't.
Yeah.
Hair's not grow right here.
No.
It's not like
It hurts something.
Yeah, sorry.
yeah.
Alright.
Anyways, no, I used to drink like every
Give me
single
that.
day in school.
Get the ball.
And then never go back in.
Every day.
Every day.
That's
Like I
fine.
woke up at 7:30, and it takes so long. Girl, what the fuck are you doing?
You don't even have hair after you shave your hair. Wait one day.
No,
You have to like, did you
No,
cut
it's
your
not
hair
hair.
every day?
Are you
it's
more
not
Raven
hair.
or
It's more
LeBron?
like the space.
Of what? Are you more Raven or LeBron? LeBron.
Shut up.
Oh
You
shit.
Assault! Assault!
What?
Stop it.
Water
Oh,
bottle.
no.
Yeah.
Deal with that, man.
Bro, bro, when that started, like, bro, it made like a loud sound. I thought you were gonna have like one of those cartoon red bumps. Guys, stop.
Imagine if
Stop! Put the foot down and stop. Thank you.
Hide it.
Oh, that's my favorite!
What?
No.
He was laughing about that.
Favorite.
What's your favorite?
Him.
Why?
Dude, should I play basketball?
Yes. Wait, show me your phone. Show me your
No, I don't know how to do it.
phone. Your phone.
You know how to do basketball?
Flash. Oh wait, let me.
Dude, the other day,
Not the one.
Oh.
Which one?
I thought I did that on purpose. But yeah, look at
Yeah. Which one?
You know, in basketball, I'm really good at almost getting it in every time, but never getting it in.
Flash.
It always hit the inside of the rim.
Send it to me.
Dude, it's gonna like.
No, it's fine.
Also, if it managed to hit the desk, it would still pop back out and hit your face.
Okay.
I would just catch it.
Ow.
You can catch it.
It's.
As it, okay.
Ow. Ow.
That hurt.
Next.
You guys got bunch of bullies.
What?
Bullies.
Oh, dude.
You know how to do.
Oh,
7,
dude.
3, and
Bump.
3.
Plump bump.
What did you say?
Ooh.
No.
Girl, what?
Will it bounce off the desk? Will it bounce off the desk? Will it bounce off the desk?
Girl, one thing I know what to find out.
Yeah, what's up?
To find the inflection point, you just take the second.
Dude,
No, my phone
Max.
already on my face.
Max 4. Max 4. Dude, wait. If I change that sentence, that's basically me saying that Max.
Wait, what?
Feeling.
I said Max 4 years old.
What do you mean?
Like I was like, we're 3 years old. And I said max, like maximum 4
Yeah.
years old, and then I said max could be interpreted as max is 4 years old. It was just, it was just an interpretation of the sentence. Know what I'm saying?
Oh, that was any age you want.
It wasn't hard.
Dude, it was a ball. It was a ball. Dude, it was a ball, bro. Dude, it was a ball in your face. It was a ball in your face. A ball.
Wait, double bounce that.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Let's
Double
do-
bounce.
No. One bounce. One bounce. Oh shit, the game.
yeah.
Did you guys play Foursquare in elementary school?
No.
Rebound?
No, I didn't. Everyone else did.
It's called 7.
You're born
I like
So I meant
So much shit.
Why?
Hit me in the face.
You were that funny guy, block your face.
Fuck. Yeah.
you know what? You got hit in the face with tennis ball?
No, I'm scared.
Oh, so you got 3.
Bro, I don't know what it was, but like every year on my birthday.
No, that's more
I came
basically.
back
That's
from
No, it wasn't.
elementary.
Dude.
Really?
It's not on purpose. It just happened.
It's
That-
every
that-
year
that-
consistently in elementary school
That's
without
fair.
fail. I would get hit in the face with a
Hey,
tennis
I got fucking bum bum.
Yeah, and it happened on my birthday too, like every single time.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Like everyone's praying on my ball.
It's so big. So bad.
The moment I was born, it was like
Fuck.
death rate skyrocketed. People kill themselves. They hate me.
No, come
What
on.
else good shit?
Oh,
That counts, that counts.
maybe physics. What is the speed?
Yo, are we talking about
Why not better?
Dude, we lost the marbles. It is a dangerous spot.
Well,
Tom Household.
Whose is it?
Mine.
So nice.
Thank you. Good news.
Oh, really?
Rocco, did you lose your phone?
No.
I'm gonna text you. See if this is
That's basically
That was
five.
it. That was basically five.
Fuck you.
Well, there.
Sorry. Frick you.
I put some real. You.
Dude, what if I just ran onto the tennis court and I just threw the ball at someone, bro? It's knocked out.
You ran away. You ran away.
Oh my
screaming.
god. Yeah. Like, and I run away with my arms and like skeletons, like.
Good shit right there.
oh. Oh.
You don't get too close.
Why did you do that?
Are we going reverse?
What?
That's you.
Oh.
There.
Fuck yeah.
So weird.
You like my security blanket.
What, the janitor?
Go. Be honest.
You know, imagine if El Warawaro was.
Imagine I was sitting there and I died.
You could have died, yeah.
I'm sorry, no.
Yeah, you should be. Oh, he's pretty.
Oh, that.
Hey, Brian.
I said he's pretty.
I'm pretty.
No, he's pretty.
I'm not
I don't like the guy in the camera right in front.
Is
Why am I not pretty?
he not pretty?
No, like the guy in the
Am
camera.
I not pretty? Tell me if I'm pretty.
Is he pretty?
Am I pretty?
Yes.
Side eye.
Dude, why did you just?
Why don't you just narrate your movement?
Yeah.
Wait. Tom. Mark. Shit. Blink again. Blink. Oh my god. Trash balls. Not.
You imagine doing that in your house?
Yelling. Beating. Killing.
Oh no, that's not what. Oh my god.
I don't think you get the joke. Did you get the
I
joke?
don't know. I don't get it.
No,
What
because-
did I mean?
You should
I know what it is.
Yeah.
I tell the truth. I don't understand. What is it, Kubo?
Dude, it's just like side eyeing someone.
Some woman just said side eye on TikTok, and it became an audio.
Like this? Like how I'm doing that?
It's
You
like-
don't say it.
it's like this something.
Yeah, that's the regular side eye. Like,
No,
just saying
it
it.
has like a negative connotation.
Why is it? Why is it special? Why is it special when you say it?
It's not. It's just a trend.
It's- no.
Okay, Bishan, why am I not pretty?
Go to the bathroom real quick. Go to the bathroom
Tell
real
me why I'm not pretty.
He's a boy.
quick. Go to the
Tell me
bathroom.
why I'm not pretty.
Go to the bathroom real quick.
Tell me why I'm not pretty.
He's a boy. He's a boy. You're a boy.
You just call a dude pretty too.
So why is he not pretty?
Yeah, why am I not pretty? Why don't I qualify under your standards?
Who's pretty?
He's pretty. You're pretty. You're all pretty.
But is he pretty? If he has no
I'm gonna go, you guys.
Okay, then
Yeah, you guys are gonna be like, bro.
Brian, Brian, is he handsome?
What's that?
Yeah, he's handsome. Yeah, he's handsome.
Thank you, Brian. You made my day.
What about Ross Frank?
Oh.
Oh man, he really wants to get counted.
I am.
What's your math problem?
Fuck was
Yo. The one.
Dude, why was that so funny?
Wait, what's this though?
Feet.
Wait.
Oh no, I give up.
Oh, you gotta get. Wait, look the other way. What? Okay.
Whoa.
Wait, so you want to do my dick or my ass?
Oh,
You can't do that. You can't
turn to
do
the
both.
side.
No,
Side facing.
No.
Blink.
You tell me that was not cool. You literally can't tell me that wasn't cool. Did this add 10 points to my handsomeness, Brian?
Dude, it's red camera.
Dude, tell me that was not cool. Come on, you can't tell me that was
Side eye, now it's front eye.
Tell me that's not cool. Look,
Peripheral.
Yo, when I was playing one coffee, bro, like I was just holding the ball.
Oh, bro.
I was ready all the way.
Yo, front man.
All the way.
Side.
Target. Dude, I'll do it looking at you.
So infinite.
Yeah,
Hold on.
Bro, what?
I don't need to look. I don't need to look.
Don't look.
I'm not.
Okay.
You were looking mid jump.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. That's a lie. That's a lie. Why you
Blow dries.
No, because I need to see what the purple vision.
Well, like not looking means that it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nah, you
Fuck you. Fuck you.
No.
I can read one.
Do it turning your head the other way.
Like this?
Yes.
Now.
You have to do this. Wait, move.
Dude, can I have a sip of your Gatorade? I need some electrolytes in my system.
Game.
That's so weird.
Blink! Cha-ching!
Chink.
Yeah, cha-ching.
Yes, Chongqing. What is it? What is the city called in China?
Hong Kong.
Chongqing. Chongqing. Chongqing, right? Is that what it's called?
Hong Kong, bro.
No, shut up, dumbass.
Kong.
I'm speaking facts. It's like a city with like 20 million people.
Hong Kong.
Bro, like Chongqing, Tokyo.
Ding dong.
Bro, it's not Chongqing.
Brother.
Bro, it's Chongqing. I know like Chongqing when I hear it. Facts. Like,
I don't know how you can eat like with all the.
oh, you fuck with Chongqing? Dude, I'm not even trolling. This is a real city. It's got a bunch of pollution and like people.
That's not constrained to just one city.
Yeah.
Well,
What? Oh, come back.
Dude,
Yeah.
look, Chongqing. Chongqing. Chongqing.
What actually?
Yes.
Wait, let me see.
It's a real city. Chongqing.
I thought you were just being like
31 million people live in it.
Oh, well, I didn't even know. I thought you were just screwing with us.
No, Chongqing is a real place. Look how cool it is.
Poop water.
Dude, put water on my face.
I love your shit water.
That's very beyond.
Everybody just drink water. You chill. Guy, dumbass.
Dysentery.
Yeah.
Did you do that?
Did I do that?
How long is it?
Dude,
Just start it now.
You don't know how to do it. You finish fucking snap.
my mom. I love my dad.
You just said you wanted to.
My grandma. I love my grandpa. I love my mom.
It's an actual song you're destroying.
No, it's another song. It's real. I don't speak nonsense. I speak
You
facts.
stop.
Yo,
Oh.
Xavier. Need your help.
and no, I didn't join it.
Yo, so I'm doing this
No,
problem.
you put water on my face.
And I gotta take the derivative of the.
I'm getting blamed now. Bro, it's like 4.
Yo, that actually sucks.
Ah,
Dude, I got.
how do you do it? You're such a
Bro,
Oh,
right.
I got
But-
it.
dude.
You want fundraising?
Yes. That's my priority. Dude, how do you not take your ball back? It's your ball.
Knock back it up, man.
Dude, let me.
No, this should this should
Yes.
have
Dude, you witnessed me go over play. You can't.
It's your beat. You gotta shoot it.
Loading time is high.
I do it like that.
Pretty low, so all the time.
Oh, I don't fucking hit the thing.
Oh,
I probably should have.
yeah. I tried that.
I know.
All I did not big.
I'm tiny guy.
Right now, we're done.
Dude, I can't like hold it.
I think it's technically
Like, push the kids over here.
What?
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
The worst part about footballs are like the bouncing mechanic.
Yeah, it's weird.
Relax, bro.
Like you can't track
Dude,
it.
get a real football.
You
Boy football.
hit my head. I will.
I'm pretty sure you can see that for the demonstrate for rotation.
Yeah. What is this football?
Huh?
X.
I was surprised they come to own a football.
You gotta go?
Okay.
Yeah. Eat and get ready for the game.
What? Yeah, okay.
No, watch a game.
Oh, they got this
You
baseball
have
game
to
today.
Basketball. It is like
Oh,
every
basketball.
day.
You have to watch a game?
Yeah, but it's gonna
Yo,
be
we also have a
coming.
water
It's regional
polo game
semifinals.
if you.
It's regional semifinals.
A water polo.
I want to and I have to.
Are we gonna win?
Yo, the Doritos.
It's actually gonna be a really good game.
Is
I wish I could go. I just don't.
They're
Negative
negative
one.
one, right?
Dude,
Yeah.
that really makes no sense. That sentence made no sense. What time is the interview? Whenever with the dude.
You have a job?
Oh, or paid research.
Oh.
I have to interview like some guy in the army.
Oh shit! I forgot about that.
Next, I interviewed like 3 now. I need to
Is
get-
AP research hard?
No.
Absolutely.
Yeah, kind of.
Good luck with it. The whole class
make
is
the
for the
right project. I did not make the right project.
How's Julia do?
Shit! Fuck.
She's
shit.
catching up. She's
She
doing
did
good.
If you have a good idea or
She was
something,
mad. She was
yeah.
like stressed earlier, but now she's
I heard the teacher
I
doesn't
feel so
teach.
stressed.
yeah, but now she's better.
That's bad.
She grinded for 6 hours.
Dude,
Dude.
she has been like every time I see her, she's doing fucking research.
It's actually crazy.
Yo, I just got the same thing.
It's gonna take
What's it?
AP journalism.
What's the issue?
5? Yeah, bitch.
Oh wait,
No, 2x. 2x. Wait.
it's not two.
No. here.
Because I factored it out.
Bye.
Oh.
And then I made it X.
Songs.
I'll do everything.
Make it a nail
I said it equals
Okay.
0.
Yeah. Nice. Zero.
Is X 0? Because that's unfun.
Yeah, I gotta do this home.
Definitely not.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Yeah. It was just one of it. It's not that it's hard.
It's not that easy.
So,
No, I don't give the inner
Inner radius.
That's fine. Sorry.
Unusual morning.
Here and here.
Well,
What?
But do
at
you?
1. Let's throw some.
Either.
I was doing it.
So now we're gonna we gotta find a lot of what.
Honestly, that's 0. I'm going on this.
She is. Let's look at that.
What if you just like
It's always calm. See which Yes, we do.
You heard him.
It smells like metal. Oh my goodness, I closed my eyes and then it was there.
like
Yeah.
Yeah. Auto tune without the tune.
Yeah.
Dude, that was kind of smooth how we made the sound as you caught it.
Wait, they're eating 0. What?
Are you leaving? What?
Yeah.
Did you see
One
that?
point.
Bye, Xavier.
Yeah,
Peace out.
God bless America and you.
Good luck focusing.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, I'm really good. We're really good at that.
yeah.
Corregio.
Oh, 70 unusual morning light. Wait, Max.
The floor though.
Max, how are you gonna set an exam for?
Oh, dude, you have butterfingers.
This is the exam.
You have chicken wings for arms.
When?
Me first.
Oh,
You have
the
beef for
beef
hands.
I did.
If we got to fight, but I'm
Mini, mini. Oh!
Who's winning?
You're
Oh,
talking.
Brian. Who winning? Oh, Brian. Who winning?
Fine.
Who coming out on top?
I got like average 70s without like setting it off, so I think I'll be fine.
Oh,
No, but this is the hardest test.
In on the AP.
dang, no.
Like, I think I'll get a 3.
Oh,
without,
What do you got in the?
What?
We're not talking about this.
Which class?
Thanks, right?
No.
OBJ?
Oh, sick. Do it
stuff.
again. Do it again.
Just play
Do it again.
football.
Do it again.
Max, what class are you talking about?
AP computer science principles.
Can I go backwards?
I fucking hate that class.
Oh! I did it.
You talking about Tom?
Ow!
Yeah.
I'm taking that next year.
Me too.
I'm so fucking blind now.
Okay, it's your turn now.
It sucked. Why did it suck? It's just, the teacher is terrible.
Okay.
Class
But
is
you're not
easy,
gonna
it's
teach-
not.
The class is easy, but the way she teaches it is like,
Are there tests?
it's kind of like Greenwald in a way, where she like, you don't know when you're actually learning something important, so you just don't pay attention at all, and then you just like,
Yeah, then you realize it's important.
yeah.
Is it?
But then it's fun. Like,
Okay. Is there tests?
Girl, fuck.
yeah.
Like is there multiple choice FRQ tests, or do you have to code something test?
Oh, everything, all the tests are multiple choice.
Yeah.
But on the active AP.
On the
You have
AP,
to code something.
on the AP, sorry.
All you have to do is do a program.
Yeah, on the AP exam, it's when you create project, you have like a bunch of time to work on it. You just have to submit it for that day.
So that's okay.
And that's yeah. I haven't started mine yet. We're actually about to start doing that.
Yeah. When you build your code and then you submit it.
Yeah.
Right, you're gonna have to help me. Okay.
Okay. I think that.
Maybe. I have to figure out.
I'm hungry.
Do you know how to code?
Dude, I'm fucking going.
Yeah, it's not
Wait, Xavier or what?
Let's see all of the C sharp. What if I tell you about?
Bye.
Okay. You're playing soccer with a basketball. That's not.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Bro.
Not how that works.
Max, you know how to get.
Oh, dang.
Oh, wait. No, I didn't. I just like did. Oh,
Oh.
It's not good at my test script.
me neither. Great.
Something 5 minutes.
How my legs hurt.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, girl, I just called my fucking friend. Why did I do that?
That's embarrassing.
Yeah. Hello? Pick up his deal.
Who did you just call?
We need self corrections.
What did you say?
Okay.
Who did you just call?
Oh.
That's not.
Grandpa.
Really quit this. Go home.
Wait, but Rob's gonna come back and actually.
Really?
Oh, I love this song.
Oh, that's so.
I'm also.
I'm not gonna buy like a statue. No, laptop.
When he opens it, it's like. Bro.
That hurt like a butt.
Ryan, go on for the computer right now.
Hey guys, I'm Brian. This is Matt. He wants me to open the computer, so just in case you get
Go in front of it.
just in case I get in trouble, I will be suing. Like,
Wait, I can stay there for. You closer? Oh yeah, it's live. What are we saying? Oh my god.
end the line, bro. No, the thing is, wait, how many people are actually in the line? Oh! Oh my god. Wait, you can never get on YouTube? Or is it just a line?
It's gonna be real. Nobody's gonna go into the exact time.
What the hell?
Hello?
It takes a second.
Rain garage or something? Not rain garage. Oh, or kick it. Or kick it.
What are we waiting for?
Hello.
We're back.
Yeah.
Where do
Yeah,
you go?
he's in here. Where's he going?
Run and kick it to a tray.
There's Rang.
The boss
We
leave?
turn off the light.
The boss leave?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
turn off the light.
Why?
We turn off the light. It's on.
Oh,
I'm on it.
Why the fuck did you turn on that?
You can't even come around the camera.
Oh shit.
Shut up. This is a mess. Brought to you by Yay Max. Holy shit.